Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Google Street View into iClone 8 3D animation software. Everything will just come from the Google Street View, from the Google Map. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Let's go. Alright, the first step, you can just go to my video description, click into the first link, download the Street View, download 360 degree. Scroll down, you should be able to see a download button at there. It is free. Alright, so now once you already downloaded, you have to extract it, make it as in the folder. Then double click the Street View, download 360 degree, open it. No need to update, just click later. Alright, next go to the Google Street View. You can just go to the Google Map, maps.google.com. Alright, and then you can just choose any of the street view that you want to see. Alright, once you click on the road, it should show you the street view. Just click on into that. Now you can see this is the street view. Alright, for any of the street view, click into that. Not every roads, but sometimes almost all of the roads you can see the street view. Alright, once you already decided to download this street view, just copy this location. Just right click to copy this URL, and then come to the Street View, download 360 degree, click and Ctrl V to paste it here. And here you need to choose the location to download. Let's say I choose the desktop, I click save. The resolution, choose the highest one. Alright, download the panorama. Just within a few seconds, it is going to download as a JPG or PNG. It is an image. So here, just hold on and just look at your desktop. It will appear somewhere at here. Almost done. Alright, where is it? Converting. Alright, now I right click, refresh. You can see the Street View download. The Street View 360 degree already downloaded at here. This is exactly the Google Street View. And then this is a equirectangular map. Just close and back to the iClone. From the iClone, you need to just go to the visual and just find for the image based lighting, and then we are going to replace this. But I just want to just call out a 3D avatar first, just to show you how it works. Just for example, the actor core. I just call out a 3D avatar first, and one more. Alright. Okay, so now I want to back to the visual. If you can't see the visual, you can just go to the window, workplace, and just click the standard. It is going to show you somewhere at here. So the IBL is activated. You can see actually the strength. It is based on this image. So now I'm going to just drag and drop this street view into here. Before that, you need to just make sure that the IBL is shown as the sky. So just click here to show it as a sky. And then at the same time, the blur, here you have to just drag it. You can see this is the image based lighting, exactly this map. So now I want to replace it. Just drag the street view into the visual. Just drag and drop to replace this picture. Now you can see it already changed it to become the IBL, the image based lighting. And of course the orientation, you need to adjust it. The rotation, just click reset to just make everything back to the 0, and Ctrl G. You can see now you are already on the Google Street View, and you can perform the 3D animation at here. You scroll until it is at the suitable scale. Then you can just make your 3D animation at here. Let's say if you want it to stand in front of this door, then just let it stand at here. Something like this. Okay, so it is exactly the Google Street View. Of course, it depends on the quality of the original Google Street View image as well. Here a little bit blur and cloudy, so of course in your iClone it is going to have a little bit of cloudy and blur. And of course, all of this you can adjust the lighting. The lighting, just click, just drag here. It will become the skylight. It is really simple. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Google Street View into iClone 8 to make it become the image-based lighting, the IBL, like the HDRI, and also just make it as the sky and also the panorama background for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.